Posible perde na posesión del gobierno local el cuantos de este mga propiedad na pasonanca, incluido el propiedad donde locaw ahora un orphanage. Asegun con Konsehal Cesar Jimenez Jr., tiene ahora pendiente civil case na Regional Trial Court el gobierno local acerca con este asunto, donde el dueño de este mga propiedad amo elia planta con el caso contra con el gobierno local. Quiere el mga reclamantes que saca sila otra vez con di ila mga propiedad, después no hay kanila paga el gobierno local del antes pa administrasyon el propio cantidad.
A portion of the property na pasunangka, reservation area as they call it. As to the specifics, again, precisely this is the first time we heard of the case. Kay mas antes, may kanamon abla kay Senegali propiedad ali, tan-own yan city government, yalibantay mga infrastructure, pero naipakaligita pa ka. So it appears 1, 2, 3 tamin. Igual kunil uno ang kira 1, 2, 3 tamin kita kunil mga claimants, but we want them to be paid already.
El problema pa ahora amo kay no hay aproba el Consejo Local con el pedido del City Legal Officer Judge Jesus Carbon para darle con él special power of attorney para puede él para como el abogado del gobierno local durante el pre-trial na Regional Trial Court. Mayoría del mga konsehal eliabota kontra con este por causa kay quiere sila que referi una con este asunto na concerne Comité del Land Use. Asegun con Jimenez, por causa con este, grande el posibilidad que puede sacar otra vez el mga reclamantes con el mga propiedad desde el gobierno local por causa que no hay abogado el quien ay defende con el gobierno local na korte.
Si abuyato na korte no ito proper authority, you will not be acknowledged by the judge. We will lose our opportunity to defend the city government's property. They can retake it, especially after the decision of the other councilors.
Yaman alzahan también voces kanda Konsehal Jimenez y Konsehal Charlie Mariano sobre con este asunto durante el sesión este día.
There is still no schedule yet, Mr. Chairman, of that pre-trial as contemplated by Attorney Sadain. So there is no real urgency, Mr. Chairman. There is need now, because if we follow the thinking of Councilor Biel, this has been lagging there for 10 years already. There is still time for the committee to work on the matter. We trust in the chairman, and hopefully within a record time also, he could already make the recommendation, but let the committee work. Otherwise, kung may apply antes, si Chen niya schedule the pre-trial, siguro yan po niya urgent na stamp ganin na karta del Chief Executive. In the absence of that, Mr. Chairman, let us give ourselves the benefit of the doubt and allow this council to work on the matter. As I said previously, the matter was already referred to the committee, and the motion pending before us is for the same to be reconsidered. And I hope that we don't do that, because that would be violative of the original jurisdiction on the matter of the Committee on Land Use. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Madam Secretary, nominal
very short reaction, Mr. Chairman, just to be able to guide my dear colleagues. First, on the issue that there is no certification of urgency. If you note, Mr. Chairman, there is a request for an authority to represent us. There is a civil case, Mr. Chairman. Si taga to necessita to urgency, perhaps Member Mariano, boyong-boyong pa hasta ahora, is referring to ordinances.
Order, please.
I will please delete that from the records.
Please.
Okay, you continue.
As a professional member, Jimenez, you're a law graduate. If I went through that problem, do not mention that publicly, because that is not the subject matter of discussion.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman.
I hope you apologize. I will not apology if you publicly apologize.
I will not apologize.
Because, Mr. Chairman, this problem of mine, and I think the local public already knows it, is something personal. Let this not be capitalized on by my political
Mr.
interest.
Chairman, with all due
I-
respect, I'm talking about the issues.
I hope that will be erased.
Nakita ko sa
minute
tag-disputed
recess.
And the apology of Councilor Jimenez should be made public.
I will tell you why.
recess.
You need not call for a recess, Mr. Chairman. When I said buyong-buyong pakitaki, manada kita diskuti mas temprano, Mr. Chairman.
You see, Mr. Chairman,
Kaya pa ba ka natin kiara po para lamang comprehend?
I will not talk if he's talking. Let me have my
Then
own
allow me
time.
to continue, Mr. Chairman.
But I would like
If
to
he's
react.
not-
I would like to react, Mr.
Have you
Chairman.
raised the point of order? None, Mr.
Mr.
Chairman.
Chairman, just to shorten the proceedings, I will just say my piece.
Gentlemen,
Just to
we will
shorten.
not resume the session unless you follow order and decorum.
I think I still have the
Can I
floor.
react, Mr. Chairman, because my name was
Gentlemen,
mentioned.
are you ready to follow
Yes.
Order in decorum?
I am, Mr. Chairman.
Because if you're not, then we will not proceed.
I will follow, Mr. Chairman.
I am,
In
Mr.
fact,
Chair.
Nuayman aproba el Consejo Local con el Special Power of Attorney para con el City Legal Officer y permití también sila con el City Legal Officer para abuyan na Philippine Mediation Center y representa con el gobierno local. Relató también na civil case que ta enfrente al gobierno local pero otro el reclamante. Mas que malo tasinti el City Legal Officer Judge Jesus Carbon y precura siempre abuyan na Consejo Local para aclarar con asunto.
We have this case involving a part of Pasunangka Park, the Tuason property. For one reason or another, this property has been expropriated. The city won in the RTC. This was appealed to the Court of Appeals. The decision of then CFI Judge Abdul Wahid Bidin was affirmed by the Court of Appeals. Of course, he went later on to the Supreme Court. But for one reason or another, the amount ordered by the court to be paid to the owner of the property was not paid by the city. And that was about 40 years ago. Now the owner of the property, this was owned by, I understand, the former Judge Juan Alvarez. While the expropriation proceedings was going on, he sold it to Mr. and Mrs. Tuason. Now, Tuason is demanding for the recovery of the property because they were not paid in accordance with the mandate of the Constitution that private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. This is the case now before the Regional Trial Court. The recovery of property, or if the city would want, they would sell the property, and the estimate is that it would cost about 55 million to acquire that property.
Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.